Yo, what is going on, you guys? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, the audio might sound like shit. I do not have a microphone. It broke. So, sorry I've been really inactive lately. I bought something new, as you can tell by the thumbnail and the title of this video. Now, this is not a vaping video. It's gonna be a little bit shorter of a video. I'm just gonna talk to you guys about what I bought, because I'm kind of excited, and it's probably like one of my bigger purchases that I've made in like a while. Okay, can that stay? I can't see the screen. Okay, so it's one of the bigger purchases I made. That's why I haven't been active, and I mean, yeah. So it's gonna be more of a talking video now. Before we start this, I do have a couple of vapes coming in the mail that I need to do a review about and post them as fast as possible. So whenever they get here, be on the lookout for a vape video. Actually, multiple vape videos, because a company is sending me product, which I mean is always good. But I've been inactive, like I said. I bought a new car. Now, I sold my other car and I didn't get what I wanted for it, because the car was worth a bit more than what I sold it for. It was worth about like $5,000 to $6,000. Sold for $3,500 because I was in a rush to buy this car. Now, there is some stuff wrong with my car. The new one that I bought, I need a transmission, I need a clutch. I knew that, but I got a figure price. I paid $4,800 for it. Now, I appreciate all you guys for watching all my videos, because I sound kind of like, you know, I'm a smaller YouTuber. I still make money on YouTube. And it really helped out that you guys do watch my videos and support me. So it helped out to buy this car, and it's going to help out to buy the parts. But anyways, yeah, I picked it up for a really good deal, and yeah, so it's not really a vape video, and I don't really know what to say because I haven't made a video in so long. But anyways, let's go to the car. I'm gonna hit my vape. Now the car is outside. I'm gonna pull it inside the garage because I do need to switch the tires out. There's only 3 rims. I've been super busy lately. Like, you probably can't hear me right now, so I'm gonna wait for the door to just close. Actually open. It's freaking freezing. It's like negative 15 Celsius outside. It's kind of cold. Winter's here. There's no snow. But yeah, I bought 3 rims. Like, I've been super busy getting ready to sell my car. I had people in and out of this garage for a week straight. I've been working on it, stripping parts so I can make more money selling the parts. Bought some new rims. Here's the stock rims right there. I got my snowmobile ready. I completely changed it and everything else whenever we get snow. And yeah, so I only got 3 aftermarket rims on it, because I only bought 3 because I don't know where the other one went. The guy selling it only had 3. So, I mean, I'll play an edit after that I made already. But here's the car. I put an exhaust on it and everything. You can't really see anything actually inside here right now. But I put an exhaust on it, and I'll go ahead and start it up for you guys. Now I'm gonna go ahead, pull it into the garage, because as I said, I need to swap some stuff out. Now this car is pretty loud. I mean, I couldn't really vlog in my other car because it was louder. But this one, it came with an aftermarket exhaust system, a Borla 3-inch. I deleted the muffler. I don't know if any of you guys know, but I am a welder. So I deleted the muffler on it, ran a piece of pipe right out the ass end, crooked, because that's the way I like it on these cars. And yeah, so that's all I've done really to it right now. It's pretty loud. Like, I'll give you guys a rev test right now. Car's not even warmed up, so that's definitely not healthy for it. But yeah, I had some problems with the stereo. I've had this stereo since I was 15, so I put that in. I wired up my subs. Like, the car is absolutely clean on the inside. It's got the leather seats. It's the fully loaded version. I think this is as fully loaded as it gets. Leather seats. It's got power seats on both sides. It's got the heated seats. It's kind of messier now. I've had people in and out of it, surprising people with the new car. I got a lot of plans for this car. Quick release steering wheel. My dad's redoing the seats. Let me just close this door and I'll explain to you guys a bit more. So as you see, we got some nice ass rims on here. Now, I'm not turning this into a car channel, don't worry. You'll see this car a few times on the channel. If you guys want to see more videos on it, I can make some, but not a car channel. It's just, you guys are a part of my life, kind of, so just wanted to show you guys what I bought. So I got some nice rims on here. I gotta buy new ones, obviously. I'm just gonna keep these on the front. I have 3, so I got 1, 2, and 3. They need rubbers, but I think for the winter, instead of running those, I'd rather just run 3 of these, and then on the far right side, front tire is a stock rim. But I'm gonna go get those stretched onto here because these are 9.5, and those are like 7, so they need to be stretched. Here's my exhaust. It's just like a tube sticking out, pretty crooked. But I gotta buy a truck tip for it. I'm gonna run like straight pipes. Like I said, I need a transmission, so I'm not gonna drive it too much this winter, and it's rear wheel drive, so it's a lot of fun, but it don't like to move. Like I got stuck a few times today in the snow, but I will make like some videos with it, you know, like towards the end of some vape videos. But you might ask, why is the bumper different? Well, this car was in an accident, and yeah, it's kind of hard to find, I guess, parts for it. I don't know. So the bumpers are different colors. This is a different HUD. This is off of a 350, but it's poly something. So it's super, super light. This week I'm going to be busy as hell because I'm painting the front bumper, the hood, the rear bumper hopefully, and just cleaning out the car. It's got an intake on it, exhaust. It's pretty low, but it's definitely better than my last car. So you guys heard this car rev. I showed you guys my last car that revved. There's nothing else really that I can talk about. It's really fun. Like, it's super, super fun. I'll roll the edit.
Run that back, turbo. You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had the white, so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. It ain't your car, you just a Lisa, you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got it.
So that's the edit. I went out today. I've only had it since Friday. So yeah, the sound system's good. The whole car is good. But yeah, I'm building it. The whole reason why I bought this car, the whole reason I bought this car is because I've always wanted to build a car. Last car had rust. Every single car had rust. Besides my Evos, I've had 9 cars now. This is my 9th car and I'm only 20. But every car I've had rust or problems that I didn't want to fix, and I just didn't have the money. But now I'm in a good position. I have money, and this is not gonna look anything like this in the spring. Obviously, I'm gonna work on it. We're gonna clean out this side of the garage, leave it in here all winter. Leave some ideas down below what you guys would like me to do to the car. I know it's vape channel, but there's gotta be some car guys out there, you know? Everybody loves cars. Leave some ideas down below what I should do to this. I'm already putting a front lip, some side skirts, different rims, maybe a spoiler. The car is, next time you guys see the car, it's gonna be all painted to the car, like the color it should be. But I just want to thank you guys all for watching my videos. It really helps me and it truly means a lot. I don't really seem like it because I don't put effort into making videos, but it's just because I've been super busy. But yeah, it's gonna be jacked up, getting stripped, all new interior, all paint. If I can find a different motor, I'm gonna drop a different motor in it. Transmission, clutch, everything's getting done. Shift knob, this and that. But anyways, guys, I don't want to blab here and like bore you guys. But yeah, this is the car. I'll show you guys the interior one more time. It's nothing too special. 2-seater car. But anyways, guys, I will see you guys when I get that shipment of vape stuff, and I hope they send me more than one. I think they said few, so maybe 2 videos of each vape and maybe a giveaway. I'm not too sure, but I'll let you guys know. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please drop a thumbs up. Like I said, guys, I want every single one of you guys to comment. Comment anything. My car is shit, my car is ugly, your car is good. Video ideas, I want to see like everybody comment on this video. Drop a thumbs up, drop a thumbs down, whatever you want. And yeah, thank you guys so much. If you're new around here, subscribe. And take care, guys. I will see you when that shipment comes.